With our worksheet wrapped up, what we're going to do now is we're going to add in a chart to kind of display some of this data in a little bit different of a manner. Now, you've probably created charts in either math class or science class. What we're going to look at doing is we want to see and just kind of give a visual representation of, based on the year, how much money did we spend within each expense category. Okay, so of this $34,000 that we had in expenses, how much did we spend on rent, utilities, so on and so forth. So one of the things that we can do in Excel is put in a chart. Now, it's very easy, for instance, you don't have to do this just yet, to track our commission, right? We could do that very easily because I can slide everything over with one finger. Same thing can be said if I wanted to just kind of graph all of these items, right? I wanted to see how much I spent in each month. I could go insert, chart, maybe look at a recommended. Okay, and there's a month-by-month breakdown. The issue right now is that we want to graph or chart our expenses, which are in column A, and our total, which is in column N. The difficult part of that is that I can't select one of those without selecting everything in between. So on the iPad, we need to do this a little bit differently. If you are on the computer, you can select rows A9 through A16. If you're on the computer, you hold down the Control key, and then you should be able to select non-adjacent cells, right? That is cells that are not next to one another. But for those of us working on the iPad, what we're going to do is we're going to copy everything in column A, rows 9 through 16. I'm just going to put that somewhere down here. And I'm going to click Paste Special. And I'm just going to paste the values. Okay, we don't need like the green and all the other looks of this. Okay, now since we are going to create a pie chart of all of these expenses, I'm going to come over here in column N and select rows 9 through 16. Going to copy that and then click once again. If I hit paste, you can see that it just copies the formulas, and there's a formula there, so the number's not going to come across. So I'm just going to hit Paste Special, and then once again I'm going to click Values. Okay, what we're going to do from this point is take this data and put it into a new sheet. So I'm going to copy all of these things. Actually, we're going to cut it so it goes away. So we're going to click on Cut, and then we're going to open up a new sheet. Right now we're working in our monthly finances sheet. So down in the bottom left, you're going to click the little plus icon. And then up in cell A1, we're going to click on Paste. All right, so if we go back to our monthly finances sheet, that stuff's gone. We have our data in a new sheet, and we're going to create a pie chart for that.